Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen T-Roc. This is the 1.5 TSI SE, finished in the stunning deep black pearlescent paint. This car has really nice alloy wheels, none of them are curbed, they're all in a really nice condition. And the car's covered just under 16,000 miles from new, so it is about average for a car of this age. And I'll open the boot and I'll show you the space that you have inside. So as you can see, you've got a really good sized boot there, so you shouldn't be struggling too much for any room with this car. You've also got the spare wheel underneath, so you know that you're covered should you ever get a puncture while you're out enjoying your lovely new car. As you can see on the bumper, you have got front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect for keeping your car nice and safe while you're parking. So inside you've got the Trax 4 cloth, it's in the dark oak brown and ceramic. Looks really nice, there's no marks on the seats, the back look like they've barely been used. And there's plenty of room in the back there if this is going to be your family car. So we'll get in and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So inside you've got your colour touchscreen display. You've got the DAB digital radio for all your music. Another great feature is the App Connect, so you can seamlessly connect your smartphone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, depending on what device you have. And like I said, you've got the audible and visual front and rear parking sensors, so it just helps you get in this lovely car in and out of narrow spaces. Underneath you've got your 2-zone climate control, perfect for keeping you lovely and comfortable while you're out enjoying your new car. And underneath you've got the storage compartment with a 2 USB port and the 12-volt charger. You've also got the electronic parking brake with auto hold, and you've got the storage armrest under there as well. Onto the dash you've got the lovely limestone grey insert on the dash that runs through onto the door as well. And I'll just give you a close-up of the seats so that you can see them. As you can see, they are in a lovely condition. The fabric's not teared and there's no marks in it. You have got the multi-function steering wheel as well, so you've got adaptive cruise control with front assist, so it's perfect for motorway driving. And you've got the instrument cluster there as well. You do also have the automatic headlights, so it's one less thing to think about. And you've got the heated and folding door mirrors, so it just gives you that extra bit of security if you're parking on narrow side streets. So this car comes with 2 keys, it'll be fully serviced prior to handover, and it has the 2-year Volkswagen warranty. So I really hope you like the car. If you need any further information, please just give us a call. Thank you.